Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to build a camera lens logo using circular custom shapes. Start with a blank canvas and select a perfect circle from the custom shapes library. Then draw the circle while holding shift to maintain a clean rounded shape. Duplicate the circle several times and resize each one for layered rings. Add gradient overlays to give each ring a metallic camera lens feel. Insert small triangle shapes around the inside to simulate blades. Align all aperture blades evenly by rotating and distributing them. Now add a soft inner glow to the center circle for a glass lens. Perfect. Place a highlight near the upper right area to